I'm going to show you how much does Domino's Pizza pay their employees. Domino's Pizza employees in the United States earn an average hourly wage of approximately $22, which can amount to an estimated annual salary of $46,691. These figures represent a combination of various positions at the company. For entry-level positions, such as crew members, the hourly wage averages around $12.07, though the pay typically ranges from $10.14 to $15.12 per hour, depending on location, experience, and role. Crew members are responsible for tasks like taking orders, preparing food, and providing customer service. Delivery drivers at Domino's generally make between $10.75 and $17 per hour. However, delivery drivers also earn tips, which can significantly increase their income. Managers at Domino's typically earn between $49,174 and $65,811 annually, depending on their experience, location, and the specific responsibilities of their role. Store managers are responsible for overseeing daily operations, managing employees, and ensuring customer satisfaction. It's important to note that these figures can vary based on factors such as geographic location, experience level, and specific store performance. Domino's often offers incentives for high-performing employees, and these can further influence earnings.